Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to permanently delete items from the trash in Canva. This is useful for cleaning up, saving storage, and making sure unwanted designs are completely removed. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to delete items permanently from the trash, all we need to do is click on Home. We can see the trash icon right away. We just need to click the trash icon in the lower left corner. This shows everything currently in our trash. To delete items permanently, we simply select the items we want to remove. For example, we will delete a few items here. We will select all of these items so they can be permanently deleted. To delete them permanently, all we need to do is click Delete Trash. As we can see, we are about to delete 19 items. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone. To confirm, all we need to do is click Delete from Trash. And just like that, our trash is now empty. That's how we permanently delete items from the trash in Canva. With just a few simple clicks, we can keep our account clean and organized.